Okay, let's look at the USDJPY. Let's see what the market will be doing today. Okay, so remember the normal way of getting your structure, like I told us in the previous videos. You get your structure from the monthly time frame. You start it from the monthly time frame using your line chart. Focus on this, the bent, the sharp bend. That's where you put your structure. It shows you where the market has really reacted. Okay. Once you have done this, you can go to the weekly time frame to actually make some adjustments or add more structure. Okay, I think I can add this. Okay, I can do this. Okay. 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 Now I've got to my structure. You can go back to your candlestick. Let's go down to daily time frame, or let's do 4 hours. Now, like I told us in the previous analysis, once you are done drawing your structure, just make sure that you wait for the market to get to the structure. Don't take a trade at the middle. It's not advisable. Okay, what should I be expecting? I should be expecting the market to retrace down. Okay, now if you look very well, you can see a little bit of a trend line to the downside, not that visible. Okay, but let's go to a smaller time frame and see 1 hour. Okay, there's a level of, though not too clear, but it will help you not to enter the trade too early. Not to enter a trade too early so that you don't get stopped at. So what should I be expecting this pair to do? Okay, let's go to 30 minutes. Okay. Now I'll be expecting this pair to come down to the downside. So this is a very sharp uptrend, as you can see, a very sharp uptrend. Now the market is trying to do some level of retracement, but that does not mean that the market cannot continue going to the upside. When you check, you will see that the market, there is a high level of exhaustion. You can see, and this is a high level of exhaustion. Another one. So I can say I can call this a head and shoulder pattern. Of course, even though it's not that clear, but I can call this a head and shoulder pattern. Now, what does this tell me? It tells me that the markets will do some level of retracement because it tried to break this area on several occasions and it couldn't break through. That's a sign that the market might retrace down to somewhere around this level. So I will not be buying this market because it's far from my major structure, which is this. The price is far from it. So I won't be buying the market from here. If you are an aggressive trader, you should be looking for a selling opportunity down to this level to follow the trend to the upside. But it is safer to allow this market to retrace down, break up the structure, retest, then you can follow the market to the upside. So I think for today, the 24th of June, I don't really think much can be done. Yeah, I don't think so. I'm not seeing a clear, you know, area where I can take a trade apart from this level. And I think this might be a tomorrow trade. I may take this trade tomorrow, the 25th, or let's watch it. But I won't advise you to take a trade from this level. It is not advisable. You have the tendency of being stopped out because the market is really doing a lot of funny movement around this level. So for USDJPY, let's watch the market. If the market get to this level, you can take a buy, break of structure to the upside. But I won't advise you to sell. Yes, you can sell, but if you look at the trend, it's a very sharp uptrend. So it won't be wise for you to be selling this pair on this day. It won't be wise. Okay, so let's keep eyes on this pair and see what the market plays at. But this is my analysis. I only have a trade here for today. The market get to this level, break the structure, retest, then I have a trade. But at this level, I don't have a trade. All right, I think this is it for USDJPY. So see you at the next pair, the next analysis. Okay, please subscribe and share the link to these videos to my channel so that we'll keep getting daily analysis. If you have any question, you can just follow the link in the channel description to my Telegram page and ask your question there. It's a new page, so definitely I should reply you immediately. All right, see you. Bye.